Okay, so let's do a quick walkthrough of a discussion post. So this is the first discussion, introductions. So this introduction post has two parts. The first part to tell us a little bit about yourself, and the second part to think about what animal would you be compared to and why. Part of this post is to include a photo, which brings us to an important topic of using other people's photos. So it is nice to be able to use photos, and there's many that we are able to use, but it's important that we are able to use them fairly. So let's take a look at a website called creativecommons.org. This is a website where people share their work under different licenses, which means sometimes you can use them completely for free with no attribution, sometimes you have to provide attribution, saying where you got it from, and sometimes there are limits to what you can do with that work. So let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and search the Commons. And the animal I have chosen is the Emperor Tamarin. So I'm going to go ahead and search it just by pushing enter. So I'll choose this photo, and I can see here that the copyright is public domain. This means that I can use it for anything I want, and I don't even need to say where it came from. However, that being said, it is always nice to provide the link to where the photo came from so that it can be traced. You can learn more about each license for each photo by clicking Learn More. This is text heavy, but it tells you exactly how you can use the photos. Once I've chosen this photo, I'm going to go ahead and download it. And now I'm ready to make my post. So I'm going to go ahead and add my discussion topic. I'm going to give it a title that reflects what it's about. And then I'm going to go ahead and answer the first part of the question. Following that, I'm going to want to add my image. So I'm going to go ahead and browse for it. I will choose the file. And I will save it as a file here, Emperor Tamarin. And again, here I can choose the type of license. This one, as we remember, was in fact a public domain. So I will upload the file. I can also describe the photo here. And this is used for students that may have visual impairments. You're able to read a description. And there is my photo. You can see it's very large. I can make it smaller by changing the size number. So I'll change 1500, and if I just click, it'll adjust. There we go. There he is. Then I'm going to provide the description of why my family might say I'm similar to this animal. I've already typed up my explanation, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it. Again, it's not necessary to write your posts in a Word file first, but you might find it beneficial. I am looking forward to this journey. The other thing I can do with this photo is, as we mentioned, it's nice to give credit to where that photo came from. So I'm just going to go over here and copy the URL. And then I'm going to link this photo right back to it. And I post that right there. Okay, so now the users can actually click on the photo and it will take them right back to exactly where it came from. That's it. Now I'm ready to post. I will scroll down and click Post to Forum. Again, you have 30 minutes to edit if you choose to, and then you will see your post. That's all there is to posting an introduction.